So the first thing we need to do is butter the pan. Do not!
What the? Oh shit! A demon! You better get the fuck out of my crib. There's a demon! There's a motherfucking demon! Don't let me square up! I got the hands! I got the hands! The fuck? The fuck you dancing for? The hell going on? You can't dance! You can't dance! I never had this shit in my life! Oh, he copying my dance moves, okay! Alright! When I get out this sleep shit, I'm gonna put my Timberland up your butt! Why the hell you stop dancing? The hell going on? You better not try some shit! I'ma whoop your ass! I'ma whoop your ass! Oh, what the hell going on? Oh, hell no, get me out this shit now! What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, shit!
The fuck up, you nasty bitch. I don't know how the fuck you jump on my son, you little nasty ass nigga. Shut your little bitch ass up, you dirty bitch. Who the fuck is this long head ass, little jawbreaker looking ass nigga named Miss Mary? Shut your little bitch ass up, you ugly ass nigga.
Your dog is so trash.
No, what'd you say about my dog? Go get him, Rufus.
Why am I lagging? Why am I lagging? Give me all your money. What the hell is all that noise?
This is absolutely disgusting. Whoever made this should not be allowed to create art ever again.
Attention, the Stardust Crusaders need you to help out us and Nathan to battle Dio at his party. September 20th at home. Delicious donuts, treats, and food to power up for Dio. Yeah.
Oh, that's
Legalize nuclear bombs.
Swag Messiah.
No. Talk to the nice Mexican man.
Hamburger. No, disculpa, no hablo inglés, no English. Hamburger. Cheese or no cheese?
I'm gonna freak out, Josh.
Burger. ¿Por qué siempre te pones a llorar? Tienes nada más que comprar las hamburguesas, güey, y te pones a llorar como un pinche güey. Beat Taco Bell, pal. Well, guess what? I don't speak hamburger, mother.
You better not mess with my gang, or you'll be messing with Oopie Goopy, General Munchkin Man, Lil Jim Bob, and worst of all, Larry.
Yeah? No one's answering? I guess I'll have to call on someone.
Get down!
You. 42? Wrong!
They got Gina!
Hey, Batman. I live in the shadows. Justice. Forgot them! I need to go to the Batcave. Batman needs his supplies. Forgot them! Slutty tomato! Forgot them!
So why do good girls like bad guys? I have this question for
I'm driving. Shotgun! Oh, but you had it on the way here. Whoa. No, I found a shotgun. And I want the front seat.
So we didn't learn. We didn't learn from last time. We didn't. So, we didn't learn. Comprehension. We didn't learn.